When should I apply for AP Micro and Macroeconomics if I am an international student? This is an interesting question to address. Now, if you belong to IB board, IGCSE board, or you belong to ICSE board, then you can appear for AP Micro Macro if you are moving from your 10th to 11th grade, right? If you belong to CBSE and you cover the 11th and 12th syllabus properly, then you would be able to cover the AP Micro and Macro, or you can apply for them separately after your 12th examination. But who would require this as a mandatory course? If you are planning to apply for business courses, economics as one of the majors, then definitely these courses are mandatory. You must be able to cover that. For IB, IGCSE and ICSE, 9th-10th students who have economics as one of their subjects would be able to qualify for AP, micro and macroeconomics. So if you belong to any of these three boards, after your class 10th examination, you can appear for your AP micro macro. If you belong to CBSE, we would recommend that you do after your class 12th examination. This is one of the very scoring papers, getting a 4 on 5 or a 5 on 5. 5 on 5 is relatively difficult, but 4 on 5 you can get with specifically well-defined practice that you require, specifically targeting to free response questions, which is actually scoring if you get a right methodology how to write your answers. The complete video series for micro and macroeconomics are available in the description below. So do follow the links. Wish you good luck.